Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video we are going to see about the bitwise operator. Totally 5 operators are available in the bitwise operator. There are bitwise AND, bitwise OR, bitwise XOR, bitwise left shift and bitwise right shift. Okay friends, let's see the operators one by one. Okay, let's move on to the video. The first one is bitwise AND. This is related to AND operator. AND means in the AND table we are using the true and false. Here we are using 1 and 0. 1 is nothing but the true. Okay, 1 means true, 0 means false. Okay, then if the x contains 1 and y is 1 and the x and y, bitwise and y displays the result as 1. The AND is nothing but AND symbol. Bitwise AND denoted by the AND symbol. Okay. If the condition is both the conditions are true, then only it will display the result as true. That means 1. 0 means false. Okay. If any one of the condition is false, it will display the result as false. Okay. Here we have seen 1 and 1 means that both the cases are true, so the result is true. Here and the upcoming this, any one of the condition is false, so the result is false. Okay, like that it is similar to AND operation, but the symbol is denoted here bitwise AND. Thus it also performs the same operations like that, like the AND table. Okay, let's see the example. I want to perform the AND operation between this 10 and 8. Okay, 8 has come. Okay, then I want to do the another one, 23 and bitwise and 13. See 5. We know we got the answer 8 and 5, but we don't know how it was performed by the interpreter. Let's see this on. Let we see this. Okay, for example, I am taking this. The interpreter splitted the binary this numerical value into binary values. Okay, after splitting the binary values, they will perform the bitwise AND operator, and they will produce the result in the format of user in normal numerical number. Okay, so first we see how the interpreter will binary operator form is binary representation is 8 4 2 1. Okay, the binary representation of the 10 is 1 0 0 1 0. Okay, eight. The binary representation of the binary form of the 8 is 1 0 0 0. Okay, now the interpreter will perform the bitwise AND operation between this 10 and 8. Okay, we have seen about the bitwise AND table. That means if the both conditions are true, then only it will display the result as true. If any one of the condition is false, it will display the result as false. Okay, let's see. Here x is 0 and y is 0. That means x is false and y is false. So interpreter will display interpreter will display 0. Okay, then here x is true and y is false. That means both the conditions are not true. This one is false, so the result is false. Okay, here both the conditions are false, 0 0, so it will display the result as 0. Then here 1 and 1, both the conditions are true, so it will display the result as true. Okay, so 8 4 2 1, so 8 is true, so 8 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0 is equal to 8. Okay, so the result is 8. So the interpreter has displayed the result as 8. Like that it has performed for this bitwise AND operation also. Then the next one is bitwise OR. Okay, the bitwise OR operator is any one of the condition is true, it will display the result as true. Okay, then 1 true true, so the condition is true. Here true false, the condition is true. 0 1 means false and true is true. 0 0 means condition is false. The both in cases both the conditions are false, so it will display the result as false. Okay, it's similar to OR operator, OR table. Okay, OR table, the same operation is also performed with the OR table also, but the difference is the symbol is x pipe symbol, x pipe y. Okay, it's a symbol of bitwise OR. I am taking the example 8. $28. Okay, then I will display. I want to show you another one. 10 bitwise OR 8. Okay, 10. Let's see how the interpreter has performed this operation. I am taking this example. The bitwise form of the binary form of the 10 is 1 0 1 0. Okay, then the binary form of 8 is then this is true, this is true. Okay, this is sorry, this is false. 0 means false. This is false and this is false. Both the conditions are false, so it will display the result as false. Okay, 0. Then this case x is true, y is false, so the condition is any one of the character is true, so it displays the result as true. Any one of the element is true. Here both the conditions are false, so the result is false. Here both the conditions are true, so the result is true. Okay, then the result is 8 plus 0 plus 2 plus 0 is equal to 10. Okay, so we got the result 10. So the interpreter has performed this same operation inside. Okay, so but we got the required output here. This operation will be performed inside the interpreter. Then the next one is bitwise XOR. XOR means nothing but the same XOR table. Okay, that means x, y, x cap, x cap y. That means XOR table, the symbol of XOR table, x cap y. If the x is 1, x is true, y is true, then what will be the XOR table bitwise XOR operation value? One, by performing the XOR operation we have some formula, that means x y dash plus y x dash. Okay, that means x means if the x is true, that means 1, y is x dash is 0, the inverse of the x. Y is 0, the y dash is 1, inverse of the y. Okay, but here x is 1, y is 1. X equal to 0 na, x dash 1, y equal to 0 means y equal to 1 means y dash 0. Okay, here x is 1, 1, y dash, y is 0, y dash is, y is 1, y dash is 0. So 0 plus y is 1, y dash, x dash is 0. This means x and, okay, dot means and. That means x and 0, x and y, x is true and y is false, so false plus false. If the both cases are false, this is also false, so 0. Okay, like that we will perform the same operation for the all the cases. We got the result as 1 here for 0. For the same, if the both x and y are true, it will display the result as 0. If the both cases are false, it displays the result as false. Okay, if both are same, the result is false. If both are dissimilar, the result is true. This is a simple trick. See the example for the XOR operation, bitwise XOR. I want to perform the same operation for 10 cap 8. Cap means bitwise XOR 8. Okay, the result is true, 2. Then the next one is 34 bitwise XOR 89. Result is 123. I am doing the simple thing for 2 bitwise cap 3. Answer is 1. We will see this example. Two. The binary form of 2 is 0, 0, 1, 0. Okay. 2 is so little number, so the 8 is not needed. Zero, binary form of 3 is 0, 1, and 1. Okay, the XOR, will see the XOR operation between this 2 and 3. Okay, the first case, x is 0, y is 1. Okay, so x is 0, y is 1. Then x dash is 1, y dash is 0. Formula is x, y dash plus y x dash. X is 0 and y dash is 0, 0, 0 plus then y x dash. Y is 1, x dash is 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Okay, so this is x and y. X is false and y is false, so both are false, false, plus x is true, y is true, that means true. Then r, plus means r, x or y. Okay, any one of the condition should be true, so the result is true. This is 1. Okay, here also not needed because only the 2 cases are we are taken, so it's not necessary. Then the next one, x is 1, y is also 1, so x dash equal to 0, y dash equal to 0. Okay, so x y dash plus y x dash. X y dash, x is 1, y dash is 0, so 1 0 plus y is 1 and x dash is 0, so 1 0. Then x and y, the both the condition should be true, but here the y is false, so this is false and this is also false, so x or y, any one of should be true, both the conditions are false, so the result is false. So this is false. Okay, so the result is 0 plus 1 equal to 1. The output is 1. That means the second position is true. Okay, the 2 into 0 equal to 0. So we got the result as 1. So the result is 1. Okay friends, we have seen bitwise AND, OR and XOR in this video, and we will see the bitwise left shift and right shift in the upcoming videos. If you have any doubt, just leave your comment in the comment box. If you like this video, hit the like button. If you are not subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.